Hi everyone, my name is Aditya. So today I'm going to be doing the review of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 smartphone runs on Android 9 Pie operating system. The phone is powered by an octa-core 2 GHz quad-core processor. It runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 chipset. The base variant includes 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal storage. The variant which I have includes 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage. It has an IPS LCD display. The starting price of Redmi Note 8 is 10,000 rupees. The Redmi Note 8 has a 6.3-inch IPS display and it has slim bezels and it has a dot drop notch. Redmi Note 8 offers a dot drop notch on the top and it has a LED for notification. The front camera is 13 megapixel. On the right you have the power button and the volume up and down button. On the left you can find a dual SIM card slot. The Note 8 has a 4000 mAh battery which could last easily up to a day. On the top you have IR blaster and noise cancelling microphone, which is really good at this price range. On the bottom of the smartphone you have the speakers, the USB Type-C port, a microphone and a headphone jack. For the display, the Note 8 sports a 6.3-inch dot notch FHD IPS display with a resolution of 2340 x 1080 and it has cornering Gorilla Glass 5 on the rear side and also in the front side. This is the Note 8 display. While the colors of the display are not so punchy, the display does offer crisp details and sharpness. And for test for the audio quality, this is the audio from the Mi Note 8. My name is Aditya and today I am going to be doing the unboxing and review of the Mi Band 4, which is a recently launched Mi Band from Xiaomi. The Mi Band 4 is going to be available in India on September 29th onwards and the price range is... So as we saw, the audio is good, but it's not as sharp and crisp. For software we have Android Pie skimmed with Xiaomi's MIUI 11 on the top. Basic apps such as social media browsing etc. run very smoothly on the Note 8 and there is no issues. On the rear side, the Redmi Note 8 offers a 48 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 2 megapixel macro camera. So this quad camera setup is really good and the pictures and the photos are really awesome from this smartphone. So these are sample pictures and videos that I shot with this smartphone. So now I'm going to be launching Call of Duty in Redmi Note 8. So let's see how fast it launches. So I'm going to be performing a gaming test on the Note 8. So there is no lags and no issues, and it's working properly. Residing beneath the notch, there is a 13 megapixel front camera. The Redmi Note 8 is available in three colors: Neptune Blue and the Moonlight White and the Cosmic Purple. The Redmi Note 8 comes in three variants with 3GB RAM, 32GB storage, 4GB RAM, 64GB storage and 6GB RAM, 128GB storage. This is the 6GB RAM, 128GB storage version. Overall, the smartphone offers a pretty good display, a quad camera setup which captures excellent photos, a really good battery life of 4000 mAh, which could last up to 13 hours. The Note 8 also offers good performance. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.